Okay, good morning to all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Today I am thinking to start the exercise of sphere. Or should I have to describe something?
So, can we discuss question number 11?
11 number, okay. The volume of cylinder is 770 cm cube and the circumference of circular base of the cylinder is 44 centimeter. Find its height. So there is the cylinder with volume 770 cm cube. And this one is the cylinder given to us. And you know the formula of volume of cylinder. Formula of volume of cylinder is pi r square h, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And next thing given here is circumference of circular base.
2 pi r.
Yes, circumference of circular base is 2 pi r. I used pi here because I don't have symbol here to write now. 2 pi r, it is circumference. And circumference given to us is 44. Value of pi is
22 by 7.
22 by 7. Then can you get the value of r from it?
Yes, sir, but it's not matching the answer, sir.
Okay, let me do it here. Take 7 and 44 to this side into 7 divided by 44. 2 into 22 it becomes 44. While taking to left side we have to divide it and 7 is multiplied here and remaining value here is r only. So what is the value of r? After this 44 cancelled, r is equal to 7, isn't it? We got radius is equal to 7.
7.
Now use the formula of volume. Volume is equal to volume of cylinder is equal to pi and then r square, r into h, pi r square h. Value of pi is again 22 by 7. This is the value of pi, and volume is also given to us 770. I think I said we have to find out volume, but we have to find out the height. Volume is given. R we have calculated, r into r, 7 into 7, that will be 49, or 1 7 is cancelled from here. 22 into 7, 154. Okay, and after this take this 154, this becomes 154. You can calculate in your calculator. 22 divided by 7 into 49. Check it, maybe I am wrong, and take that value here 154 जुन यहाँनिर 154 हुन्छ यो क्याल्कुलेसन गरेर. That will give us value of height, and what you get finally 770 divided by 154.
Hi.
770 divided by 154, it is equal to 5. So height is equal to 5. Then any next question? 12 number, volume and curved surface area of cylinder are given. Use formula of volume, use formula of curved surface area. We will get two equations and solve those two equations as we did the question number 10. Curved surface area and volume were given here. Question number 10 मा curved surface area volume दुईटै दिएको थियो. त्यसपछि हामीले diameter र height निकाल्यौं. 12 is exactly similar to question number 10. And question number 13 is similar to question number 14. The internal and external diameter of steel pipe are given. Find the thickness of pipe. Thickness निकाल्ने भनेको छ. Metal here thickness is given in question number 14. In question number 13 it is said to find out the thickness. So if diameters are given, find out the radius. 8 centimeter is the diameter, internal diameter. So radius will be 4. Radius is 4 हुने हो. radius, internal radius small r is equal to 4 and external radius capital R, it is equal to 5. And if we will subtract internal radius from external radius, we will get the thickness of 5. You 5 centimeter but 4 centimeter minus kare, which is 1 centimeter, but the remaining value, that is the thickness of pipe. And to find out volume of steel in it, we have to use formula of volume of material in hollow cylinder. Any other question from this exercise 6.1? Okay. If there is no problem, let's move to next chapter related to sphere. Exercise 6.2. Find the surface area of the sphere having something is given here in all questions. Question number A, B, C, D. So for question number A, the thing given to us is radius. Find the surface area of sphere having radius 3.5 centimeter. So just we have to use formula here, nothing more than that. That is radius R is equal to 3.5 centimeter and surface area 4 pi r square. Just this one is the formula which we have to use here. Now put values here. 4 into pi 22/7 r square 3.5 square. Can you calculate its value? First do square of 3.5, multiply that with 22 and 4, and at last divide that by 7. Yes, please.
154.
Okay, 154 square centimeter. This is the answer for total surface area of sphere having radius 3.5 centimeter. Let's move to question number D, where diameter is given to us. If diameter is given, so what is the formula of surface area if diameter is given?
Pi d square.
Pi d square only.
Yes, sir. Pi d square.
That formula we have to use here now. So diameter is 42 centimeters. Surface area we have to find out, and we have formula surface area is equal to pi d square. Value of pi is 22/7 into d square, that is 42 square.
5,544.
Okay, 22 into 42 square divided by 7 is equal to 5,544 square centimeter. In this way, easily we can calculate the surface area if radius is given and if diameter is given. Now let's move to next question. Find the volume of sphere having radius 2.1. Again, only we have to use formula for volume of sphere if radius is given to us. So for it also write given thing, radius is 2.1 centimeter and volume is equal to what? We have formula of volume 4/3 pi r cube. Just
Square.
read and remember these formula so that you can use in question whenever you need. Now simplify it. 4/3, put value of pi as well as r. 4/3 into 22/7 into 2.1 cube. Multiply the numerators. 4 into 22 into 2.1 cube and divide that by 21 and get its final value.
38.80.
38.80.
38.80.
Okay. So numerator's value I have calculated here 814.968 divided by in denominator 7 3 is 21. It is 38.808, I think. 808. While
Yeah,
rounding it off,
808.
it becomes 81. So this is our final answer for question number 2A. Similarly, let's do one more question related to volume if diameter is given to us. So diameter given here to us is 8.4 centimeter, and we have to find out the volume. And do you know what is the formula for volume of sphere if diameter is given?
Pi by 6 G cube.
Okay, pi by 6 d cube or 1 by 6 pi d cube. This is the formula. Put values of pi as well as d. 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 8.4 cube. Find out the values in numerator. 22 into 8.4 cube and divide that by 7 6 are 42.
310.46.
Okay, finally it is 310.46. Okay,
464.
46 cm cube. Cube is missing, and this is our final answer. And some questions are given here to us with figure. Let's look at those questions from here. Question number 3a. Calculate the surface area and volume of following solid. So what type of solid is this? Sphere. So for this sphere, we have to use formula of surface area as well as formula of volume. If its radius is given, length from center is given, means radius is given. In second question, a hemisphere is given to us and the diameter is given in place of radius. So we have to use formula in which diameter is given to us. So for this one, let's move to question number 3b. Calculate the surface area and volume of the following solid. Diameter is 15.40. Surface area we have to find out. And what do you think? What is the meaning of surface area for it? For hemisphere, there are two surface areas. One is curved surface area, another is total surface area. I left question number 3a because in that question just you have to use formula. Yes, we were discussing. There is the question to calculate surface area, but for hemisphere, we have two surface areas. One is curved surface area, another is total surface area. So what do you think? What we have to calculate? Do you think we have to calculate both curved surface area as well as total surface area, or curved surface area only, or total surface area only?
So maybe
I
both we
did
have
not.
to find.
We have to find out both.
Maybe. Or CSA only.
Just I said you to guess. If surface area I said, what we have to calculate?
Total surface area.
Yes, here we have to calculate total surface area. If surface area only is said, surface area matrai bhaneko cha bhane त्यतिखेर total surface area calculate गर्ने हो. Otherwise, if it is mentioned there curved surface area or total surface area, in that case we have to calculate according to the given question. If only surface area is said, then we have to calculate the total surface area. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
So for this question, we have to find out total surface area of hemisphere and volume of the sphere. So what is the formula for surface area of the hemisphere when diameter is given to us?
3 pi r square.
3 by 4.
3 by 4
Pi
pi
d
r.
square. Pi d.
Pi d square. 3 pi r square. That is the formula when radius is given. You can use that formula also, but you have to convert this diameter into radius. Diameter लाई radius मा convert गरेर त्यही formula use गरे पनि हुन्छ. If you don't want to remember two formula, okay. Find out the radius here by doing d by 2, and after finding it, then you can use the formula 3 pi r square. In terms of diameter, it is 3 by 4 pi d square or not? Three by 4 pi d square is the total surface area of the hemisphere if diameter is given to us. Can you calculate the final value of this one? 3 by 4, value of pi is 22 by 7 into 15.4 cube.
Sir, cube or square?
Oh, sorry. It is square only. I did mistake here. It's not cube. It is square.
Yeah. Sir, its value is 559.02.
559.02.
02.
Okay. Other also have calculated or only Sangeeta? Let me confirm. Please calculate it fast. Yes, please. No one want to tell.
Sir, I said 559.
559.
Yes.
Just I asked that Sangeeta did one calculations, and is this calculation right?
Yes, sir, it is right.
Okay, good. Okay, then if it is clear, this is the answer of surface area of this hemisphere whose diameter is 15.40 centimeter. Next one, we have to calculate volume also, and if diameter is given, we know the volume of
Sir, you have again written
hemisphere
here cubic centimeter. It's square centimeter.
square centimeter. Okay. Next one, volume is equal to 1 by 12 pi d cube, and as I already said, you can convert this diameter into radius by doing d by 2, and you can use another formula also. अर्को formula के हुन्छ volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube use गरे पनि हुन्छ, or we can use formula of volume 1 by 12 pi d cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
While doing discussion about the formulas, we discussed the formula related to radius and diameter for each and every cases. That is in the case of cylinder as well as in the case of spheres also. So if you don't want to read and remember those all formula related to diameter as well as radius, you can read and remember one type of formula, either the type related to diameter or radius. डायमिटरलाई रेडियसमा वा रेडियसलाई डायमिटरमा कन्भर्ट गर्न तिमीहरुलाई आउँछ. If diameter is given, if you want to convert that into radius, divide by 2. If radius is given, if you want to convert that into diameter, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, now put values and calculate the value of volume. 1 by 12 into next 22 by 7 into next d cube 15.4 cube. Yes, all of you do its calculations fast. 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 15.4 cube. At first you can multiply the numerators, 22 into 15.4 cube, then divide that by 12 7 84. 15.5 cube into 22 divided by 84.
956.54.
900.
56.54.
Yes, please.
56.54.
0.54. It is cubic centimeter now because it is
Yeah.
volume. Previously I
Yes,
did
sir.
mistake. Surface area is in square centimeter, and you got the answers. Then let's move to next question. Question number 5. 4 I left here for you. Let's check what is there in 4. If the surface area of spherical object is this 616 cm square, find its radius. We have to find out radius by using the formula of surface area. Similarly, if the surface area of ball is 38.5 cm square, calculate its diameter. अब यहाँ diameter भएको formula use गर्नु पर्यो. In first question, you have to use formula having radius. But as we discussed previously, you can use one formula only also. Then you can convert radius into diameter at last. And I left this question because in 5 number question, it is said to calculate volume. So for question number 5, if we know the surface area of sphere, at first we have to calculate radius. यहाँ पनि गर्नुपर्ने त्यही हो, फर्स्टमा रेडियस क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्ने हो, and after calculating radius, then we have to find out the volume. Okay. So in question number 5, we will do the process of question number 4 also. Because of that reason, I left question number 4 for you. Those you have to complete yourself. If the surface area of sphere is 616 cm square, find its volume. So by using this given thing, surface area of sphere, at first use formula of surface area and calculate the radius, and after that find out the volume. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, and by using it, get the value of r. Surface area is 616 is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. So while simplifying it, you may take this 4 into 22, that means 88 in denominator here. यता आएर divide हुने भयो, and 7 is multiplied to it because it is in denominator. यता denominator मा भएको भ्यालु उता गएर न्युमरेटर मा जान्छ, मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छ. यता मल्टिप्लाई मा भएका भ्यालुहरु यहाँ गएर डिभाइड हुन्छन्. So do the same thing. That is 616 into 7 divided by 88. Calculate its value.
49.
49. If r square is 49, what will
R
be
is
the value
7.
of r? R is 7. That means to find out the
7.
value of r, we have to take square root of 49. So square root of 49 is 7. So radius of the sphere for which we have to find out the volume is 7. Now if we know the radius of sphere, we can calculate the volume easily. As I already said to you, I left question number 4 because in question number 4 we have to do up to here only. 4 number मा यति नै हो, radius calculate गरा भनेको छ या diameter calculate गरा भनेको छ. So because of that we have to solve question number 4 up to here only, and there is the more portion of it, that is we have to find out the volume here. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and put the values now. 4 into 22 into 7 cube divided by 3 7 is 21. So all of you calculate it and get the final value. Harish Kumar Airi. Harish Kumar Airi. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you calculating or calculated 4 into 22 into 7 cube?
Calculating.
Okay. Lalit Chanda.
Yes.
Lalit Chanda. Yes. Have you calculated it, Lalit Chand? Lalit, are you hearing me?
Sir, its value is 1437.333.
Yes.
1437.33 cubic.
33.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Janaki and Pratik get it. Others, Sangeeta.
1437.
Yeah, that's right,
Okay,
sir.
I talked
calculated
with
previous.
Lalit. Where he is? Is there problem with your mic? Maybe problem with your mic. Okay. So final value of it is 1437.33 cubic centimeter. This is our required answer, and this was for today. Remaining questions we'll do tomorrow. So all of you complete questions up to 5 number. From 6 number we'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow, that means on Sunday. Today is Friday, I think.